Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel, where an experienced and certified detective is about to educate you with facts and not hyperbole. Now, my young police officer, I want you to listen to this today. I've been imploring on you guys what to do to, get out of this miserable place. So just listen to this white woman. All right, listen.
I keep being told that reason why enough man look me or send me inappropriate DMs sometimes is because they assume that I came to Jamaica for khaki because that's what white girls do, them say. So let me clarify this with you guys. This statement is totally true because when you move to the next country, what do you take into consideration? Career? No. Weather, culture, social life? No. All of these are insignificant, right? All you think about when you move to the next country is khaki. So that's why we come to Jamaica. And also, you might assume that in Europe them have it, but no, because of climate change, it has become a very limited resource. Actually, not only in Europe, but worldwide, except Jamaica. So that's why so many white girls come to Jamaica to get khaki.
Yes, my young police officers. So I want you to listen to this speaker that's coming up right after my commentary right here to let you know that what you have been getting, it's really bad deal because everything that you're getting is false. Just listening, a lot of people, black people and all, we do not like to. Some of us do not like to hear the truth, or should I say a majority, because I want to tell them the truth, they get upset. But I'm going to tell the black man the truth. So just listen and listen carefully and learn. You understand? Because you will die a pauper.
Got married the other day, took his wife home, honeymoon night. Look out now. Look out there. She pulled her hair off and put it in the drawer. Pulled her teeth out and put it in the drawer. She had faults. Put it in the drawer. Took off her leg and put it in the drawer. The man didn't know whether to get in the bed or get in the drawer. That's that pale horse. You follow that pale horse, you have false everything. You want eyelashes? Go put them on. Go ahead. Want a big backside? Bootylicious, baby. Shoot it up. You want bigger lips? We got that too.
Yes, my Jamaican young police officer. I hope you've been listening and listening to what the man has, just told you. That's a senior held a state black man. You understand? And he's telling you the opposite of the epiphany of black beauty, young police officer. A majority of Jamaican people, attention span, are like goldfishes. 15 seconds and their brains are tired easily. That's why they are gullible due to laziness inherited through the umbilical cord, with genetic parting from the parents to the unborn. That is why we have so many criminal-minded people in Jamaica and people who cannot think for themselves. So the photo that you're seeing of Tanya Stevens in the pink blouse You understand? I want you to look at it. You know, she's in a pink blouse, shades with makeup. Nothing is wrong with it. And the falls here make her look very attractive. She's looking beautiful, gorgeous. Imagine meeting a woman like her and start to date her. As a man, you must think consciously, realistically, and financially about your future, because you know you are taking on liability right then and there. In any business, which relationship, marriage is a form of business. She's very costly as she speaks. Look at the Tanya Stevens beside the same photo. You see, it's the same person. Yes, I understand, it's the same person. So you're wondering, weird, yeah, that's the natural her. That's not the makeup Tanya Stevens. That's not the falls here Tanya Stevens. That's the natural Tanya Stevens. You understand? So the one in the pink that you fall in love with doesn't exist in it. That one is false. But the one on the right that you're looking at, that's her. The one that you would say, oh my God. You understand? That's her. You understand what I'm saying? So, you know, please, I am begging you guys, describe Tanya Stevens in the comments below and tell me what you think as a man or as a mother, a woman, a sister, brother about her. I personally, I have never spoken to a woman who wears falls here in my entire life, because self-esteem is the greatest asset of any human being, especially women. And my mother have taught me that, you know, about black love, self-love. You have to love yourself as a black person. You understand? Market yourself as being you. You understand what I'm saying? Because once you're going to be false, there are going to be a lot of things that you're hiding to. Because if you're hiding your beauty under makeup, that means, you know, you're using makeup to make you look beautiful. Nothing is wrong to wear things, but when you're hiding behind all of these things, you're not being your real self. And when you're a real self, people love you for you. You understand? So, you know, that's all I can say for me as a black man, you understand, who believe in, you know, black beauty. You understand? But, you know, when the black woman is gonna be fake, that is when the black man need to look elsewhere. You understand? That is my suggestion. Don't venture in that that crowd. Just stay away from it, because it's false. You understand? That is just me. And you know, who do you expect to love you when you do not love yourself? If you are fake, if you do not love yourself, don't expect somebody else to love you, because you're being fake. You're fake. Tanya Stevens is a thorn in the garden of flowers. Here symbolize physical strength, beauty, and femininity. The virtues and properties of a person are said to be concentrated in the hair and nails. It is a symbol of instinct, female seduction, and physical attraction. You know, that's the first thing that a man see, you know, when he meets a woman. You understand? Look at her face and her ear. You understand? A man see a woman and her ear, naturally you just love her for that. But no, as the man say, anything you want you can buy. You know, you can buy you know, booty. You can buy falls here, you can buy all kind of things. You understand? When you are getting the latter, you are being scammed. That means that anything that you get that is not real, you are being scammed. Very dishonest. You understand what I'm saying? You know, so you having somebody right there and you who have low self-esteem. And the only way for a person to build the self-esteem is to be themselves. You understand? Once you love yourself, you know, people have to love you. You're not begging anybody to love you, they have to respect you. Because you're not portraying yourself as being something that you're not, or wishing to be something that you are not. Because God created us, you know, in His own image. So if you're black, jet black, pale, it doesn't matter what color. God make you in that way. You understand? If you do not love the way that God make you, that means you want to be God then. You understand? God never make a mistake. Ever. Everything that God has predicted, it happened because it is His world, not ours. We're just passing through, you know. You understand? And it's because of man, materialism, material, and you know, this lust for beauty. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, man. Believe you me. And beauty come from within. You understand? You know, a person who falls in love with wearing the false and wigs will eventually disappear from you because it is not authentic of real or real. The fanfare is over and reality kicks in. You understand? So looking at the Tanya Stephen picture, imagine the man, this beautiful woman and stuff that he falls in love with. And you understand? And when you know everything goes one on one and went to bed and wake up, you realize and look at him and say, wait, who's this? Who's this? And you understand? So he's frightened, terrified. You understand what I'm saying? You know, choosing between a woman who wears her natural hair or the ones who wear human or synthetic hair wigs, it's difficult because the human and synthetic hair prices are very expensive to maintain. That falseness of beauty, which is an illusion, it's not real. So you're looking in the glass and seeing, or you know, somebody seeing a woman with this. That woman is not real, and it's also that's why you must teach your black girls to love themselves from early. You understand? Not because they are around others who have different race, who have long hair. God made you this. You are the mother of all races. You understand? The black woman can have a child of every race. But I don't know why this low self-esteem come from. You understand? There are other factors that one must consider to determine why, as a young man, you must avoid expensive women who have to be buying false ears from China and India when God made them beautifully. Still, because they want to look like European women. So if a black woman wants to look like a European woman, already it's simple. The black man, you should find a European, a Hispanic, or an Indian woman, because you won't have to have added expense. False hair and wigs, because the woman that you have is real, authentic, and won't scare you after a night of drinking alcohol or smoking weed. No surprises, no mild strokes, no heart attack that may kill you. Hey, look, you have some. Let me be frank with you. You know, you have some. Look at the Tanya Stephen. You got if you stay saying you have a woman like that on the left, you know, and the one on the right, and when you wake up and see the one on the right, if you don't have good heart, you know, you're dead, you know. Cause you gotta say, wait, what get myself? I will do this. Cause you gotta feel a switch it, but it's the same person. You understand? But all the falseness gone and the realness kick in. You understand? Now that you have listened to my video, it is time to find a nice white girl, nice Hispanic girl, or an Indian girl. Since as a black woman wants to be wearing false hair. So the black man, that's what the black man must do. You understand? Time to find a nice white girl, Hispanic or Indian girl who is visiting Jamaica. It is you and the cock. Remember what the white girl says, why she come to Jamaica, you know? Yes. Remember what the white girl says. So, you know, you dine her, you know, it's you and the cock, dine her, treat her well, and don't scam her, but love her because she's coming to Jamaica for one thing. And that thing is you, young police officer. You understand? Thanks for watching. Have yourself a beautiful day. Peace. To the young police officers in Jamaica, where only those who are in a bad relationship with the police force, which is one-sided, You understand? In which everything is for the organization and everything is against the police officer. So it's time for you, police officers, to leave. I want you to listen to my friend and the detective Carpal Blame. And I've put his link, I'm going to put his link again in my thing that says Jamaican Police and Poetry, Evan Blame. And he's encouraging you guys to leave. You were shot twice. Try and find yourself, man, a beautiful white woman. You know, I'm a woman in a falls here. Man, look at Tanya Steven. My God, man. Peace, one love.